AutomationDirect.com sells a huge selection of motors for any application, including IEC motors and brake motors by M.G.M Electric Motors. MGM is an Italian-based family-owned company leading the way in brake motor manufacturing since 1950. IEC motors are utilized in most global machine designs and are physically smaller than equally powered NEMA motors. Aluminum construction also makes them 25% lighter. MGM IEC motors are available in 1/4 through 5 horsepower, with IEC 63 through 112 frames, and B3, B5, B14, B34, and B35 mounting. MGM motors provide unparalleled braking performance at unbeatable prices. MGM BAX series are designed from the ground up as dedicated brake motors. They utilize an integrated 3-phase coil design, which provides 3 times faster response and twice the holding torque of typical single-phase brake motors. A 3-phase brake allows use of a larger brake disc that is twice the diameter and 4 times the surface area of the competition. The brake disc is attached to a spline shaft for better torque transfer. All of this means you will have a brake motor that performs better, is more reliable, and costs less. These motors are IEC designed, but select models come with NEMA-compatible mounting, so you can replace your NEMA brake motors with an MGM brake motor to take advantage of all these benefits. MGM IEC brake motors are available in 1/4 through 5 horsepower, with B5, B34, and B35 IEC mounting, as well as NEMA 56 through 182C mounting. Click here to see all motors from AutomationDirect.com. If you need help selecting motors, please see our award-winning support options here.